Hello guys, welcome to Crypto Darkness. Before start, don't forget like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to follow me on my social media here. So today in this video we are here to introduce an amazing project for this month. It calls the Acet project, one of the best projects for me. I am especially one of the holders because I really like this Acet project. See you soon after this intro. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. So before start, don't forget like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So we have here the Acet project. What if I told you that by simply swapping your Acet token you can lock a price at 0.06 and get a guaranteed payback at 0.33 in just over a year? That's over 5x return for free. Welcome to the Acet Swap to Act and Acet's founders Buyback. Let me walk you through everything step by step. So the Acet.Finance is changing the game. It's a zero supply protocol, meaning everything ACT token is circulation comes from user sweeps, and every token bought back gets permanently burned. Not inflation, just value compression. So you can see here that this is the date for the warning, the ACT warrior arc. It will end on the 8th August 2025, almost 78 1 hours 88 minutes. So let's join the IT. Follow this video, I will show you how you can do this. So the total USDT $1.62 million at the last USDT in the last 90 days, almost $170,330. So this is really a good numbers for you guys. This is the warrior contract. People really invest on the amount. People like those really. This is the warriors. You have to be one. You have to be one of the holders for sure. So the view act on CoinGecko. You can buy it on the CoinMarketCap, Dextools, Wallbit, Dexscanner, Crypto Bubbles, etc. So let's get started how you can do this. So this is the price for now, 0.0685 USDT. So the ideology coin, the initial amount of the supply should start at 0. So this is the age of art, 3 years 9 months 21 days. So you can see here the price, really a good price for you guys if you want to invest for sure. So you can buy it directly or you can connect your wallet. So we have here no wallet, but let's accept all this and let's confirm. After that you have to connect your wallet. Just click MetaMask for example, and you have to put your password like that. If you don't have a MetaMask wallet, you have to create one. So you can choose a MetaMask here. After that, this is my wallet and this is the price for the token here. So if you wanna buy, for example, this token, just come here and you can click buy token. You can select how much you will buy. For example, I have a balance of $0.12, it equals 1.85 ACT. So just click here approve. You'll be directly go to the account here. You can just click go it and sure. Now all what you have to do to swipe is please wait. You can also join the free ACT here, 777,777 holders. You can join them if you want for sure, and you can swap your coin to Acet, get more with Acet plus 3% for the reward. You can just swipe now and be one of the holders here. For new contract, 0.33 for the person for one ACT. You can also buy it from the CoinGecko. Just click here. So the price is 0.06. All you have to do is log in into your account and you can buy it. This is the information about the market cap, the field duty, duration, 24-hour trading volume, calculating supply, total supply, etc. So as you see, the price for the last 24 hours is really grew up from 0.05 to now 0.6, and this is really good for you guys. So this is the article about the Acet Active 90 countries worldwide starting their new life with Acet. So plus 3%, you can Acet sweep it to act, totaling $2.83 million. This one also for the Acet, you can see here the 90 days price grow, 356 days the market cap for sure. This article for sure, this post, the deal is still worth it. Simply sweep, you can sweep it and get more with Acet plus 3% on the Acet if you want to swap it. This one also for the act sentiment, 88% on bullish on the one market cap. You can see it here and you can see all the links. I will put all this posts under this video description if you are really interested to be one of the holders, ladies and gentlemen. And this is for the Halish time. This is the article for the Acet worldwide Mohammed, most influential person in the blockchain and crypto 2025 at MEBA. As you see, the Middle East, the blockchain reward. This one also from the Coin Telegraph, the official article for the Mohammed Morawat name, most influential person in the blockchain. You can read it, and for sure I will put it under this video description if you are really interested in this amazing project. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you all be one of the holders, because really the project really deserves to be one of. I like it. I like this Acet because you know the price will grow up, the money will grow up, you will earn every day, every month, every year. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I showed you how you can buy the token. Just click all and you can just click approve for sure if you want to get the balance. So for me, click here confirm and you will be approving a letter. So you can buy $10, $20, $100, maybe $500, because you have to invest on the platform if you want to earn for sure. So that's all, ladies and gentlemen. See you soon in the next project. Goodbye.